Bismillahirrahmanirrahim and Assalamu alaikum. Today my video is about past tense. In my previous lectures I explained present tense, present indefinite, present continuous, present perfect and present perfect continuous. So in today's video I will explain past tense. So past tense also has four subtypes, as you know: past indefinite, and it is also known as simple past, past continuous, past perfect and past perfect continuous. So today's topic is past indefinite. Past indefinite tense. So first I will define what is the meaning of tense. Tense means zamana or time. Tense means zamana or time, or an aspect of verb which tells the time of an action is called tense. How we will identify the past indefinite tense, and the definition or introduction of past indefinite tense is: it is used to express an action that happened or completed in past, usually a very little time before speaking, or action which is just completed. If we talk about in Urdu and what is the identification of this tense in Urdu, we will use, or at the end of the sentence, alif, choti a or badi a will come at the end of sentence in Urdu language. And how we will translate such sentences into English, what are the rules for the translation is, and as I told you in my previous lectures, that every tense is divided into 5 forms or 5 types of sentences: positive or affirmative sentences, negative sentences, interrogative sentences, interrogative, and WH family, or we can also call them interrogative pronouns. Okay, so affirmative sentences or positive sentences are those sentences in which we talk about the positivity, or affirmative sentences, or we can say simple sentences. So in simple sentences we use second form of the verb. In simple sentences or affirmative sentences of past indefinite tense, we use second form of the verb. Okay, so I will give you some examples. He went to school. You solved the question. I bought a camera. We crossed the river. They stopped the car. And in these sentences and examples, you can see he went to school. So went is the second form of verb. This is affirmative sentence and went is the second form of verb. Okay, so you solved the question. So solved is again second form. I bought a camera. Bought is second form again. We crossed the river. Crossed is second form. They stopped the car. Stopped is second form of verb. We boarded the car. Again you can see they gave us a gift. Gave is the second form of verb. Okay, so in positive sentences of past indefinite tense we use second form of the verb. Okay, in affirmative sentences. I hope you will like this video. This is very simple and easy rule, and in my next lecture I will explain the negative sentences of past indefinite tense. Thank you so much.